Um, Good evening, viewers. My name is Itel from JSM Village. This is how we fix charging error on all small phones. As you can see, this is how we fix charging error on all small phones. This is the phone. This is an Itel phone. This is how we fix charging error on all phones. So watch and learn. Thank you. Like I was saying now, this is how to fix the charging error on all small phones. So this is it. Can you see? Now then take a running wire. Take a running wire. Can see a running wire. Then you take your LED. Can you see?
You want check now? Yeah, check. I don't know why my wife like that. And do it the way that if you boost and do it the way that the thing can fit stand for battery, charging light, so that the thing can be charged. In case.
So I hope you guys watch what I just did now. As you guys can see, all I don't have to do is I just took my running wire and I took the wire to my V-bats. In most phones, this thing you see here, please can you zoom it for me, please? In most cases, you can see this logo here is the road VCHG. It's in most phones it's called V-bats and V-bots, and that V-bot is for charging. And you can see, so all I have to do, I don't have to take it here, take a wire and fix it here, and my phone is charging properly, no more charging error. Watch and see. Watch and see, it's going to charge normal now, no more charging error. And mind you, there's an IC here. See, it's charging normal now, as you can see. Mind you, I have to remove the IC that is here, the IC that is in this place. The IC is faulty, so I have to remove the IC. And this is my meter. So maybe in my next lesson, I can see this. So in my next lesson, I'll show you how to do it. Thank you. I do online class.